It's a very momentous occasion that this higher secondary block is being inaugurated today. It's not only a milestone for the institution but also for the community. I, as the elected representative of this area where Manovikas school comes from, I believe that this is also a milestone for us because this is a symbol of quality education. And I believe that the huge waiting list that Manovikas has, there is a need for this government to see that such schools which have come by private initiative, without taking donations. There is a racket of donations otherwise in our country, where education has itself become an industry. So here, donations have not been taken. It is a symbol of quality education. And I think the state must use speed to see that such schools expand. Expand in perhaps they can expand. There is a scope for expansion also. Because land of the school, I presume, has been taken for the solid waste management facility that was supposed to come up, but which is not coming up. It is now become just like a post office. We are taking the waste from here and sending it to Kurshali. So nothing much is happening, and I don't think nothing much is going to happen, especially with this type of government that we have in Goa. And this type of government that is going to do nothing about education. Because the education doesn't seem to be having much value here. We have quacks running the state. And therefore I believe that initiative has to come from elected representatives, even by people in the neighboring constituencies, to see that this school is given more land so that it expands, it becomes, it makes the quality education available to our students. I think this is a great occasion today. This is more important for me because I have been an ex-student for a short while. My daughter used to be an ex-student, a student till her 10th standard here. She would have been thrilled to see this beautiful facility inaugurated today. And I think we must do our bit to see that this type of private initiatives get all the support that they deserve. I don't know whether things will come up in these 2 years. I will try to raise this issue wherever possible. But I am the opposition today, so I don't know how much of this carries much weight. But you have got enough people around who are enough to influence the society that such schools coming up in private initiative need to be supported. Government can give land. Land belongs to the municipality, otherwise the municipality is going to do nothing much about it. And we have to give support to an institution to come up.